Hey guys, how's it going? It's Saturday night and I'm putting together this video, this sort of a final video for the XL12 before she goes to Florida down there to see Eric at Hotbox Pizza Truck. So yeah, we got her all running and put a new chain on it. And in this video, I'm gonna take it out and cut some wood with it, see how she does. And I actually filmed this one. I filmed this video backwards, so I've already done it. I already cut the wood. It's all done. Now I'm doing the beginning of the video. What do you think of that? So anyways, that's some good coffee. That's some of that Muskokie coffee that Andrew sent me up there from Canada. It's maple coffee. Thank you, Andrew. That's some good stuff. So yeah, I thought I'd show you sort of the final stages detailing on this thing. And I got a couple of packages in the mail I was gonna show you. So what do you want to do first? Packages or detailing? Okay, packages. So let's take a look and see what this is. This is from Mr. Chris Liggett. Mr. Liggett. Is this thing still filming? Why do I always gotta look at that? I'm always paranoid that it's gonna stop. Mr. Liggett. The tree fella. Ooh, it's squishy. It's squishy. Let's see what it is. I gotta be careful cutting it. Oh, look at this. Oh, there's some coolness in here. Oh, wow, a Christmas card? You didn't have to do that. Hope the holidays bring the things that make you smile. Love the Liggets. Sorry. Wow, that's cool. Thanks, Chris. Thank you, Mr. Liggett. Is it Liggett or Liggett? Let me know. I'm sorry if I butchered your name. Cool, thank you. That's awesome. And there's a cool sticker. There's that cool sticker I've been seeing. Oh, that's cool. Looks like the old Metallica logo. That's awesome. Now I gotta think of what I'm gonna put that on. I'll have to think about that. I don't want to waste it on something dumb. Oh, and look at this, a shirt. Oh yeah, red too. I like red. That's badass. Oh, what? He put my name on it? That's cool. Damn. The tree fella. That's cool. See that? Nice. Whoa, look at this cool star on the... Look at this cool star on the arm. That's cool. Okay, hold on. Let me try it on. Let me get off the camera so you can't see my fat belly. Hopefully you didn't see it. I'm trying to cut down on the sugar and stuff. It gets tougher as you get older. Oh yeah, this fits nice. Look at that bad boy. Nice. Got me a tree fella shirt, Butler Outdoors hat. That's so cool. And then I got me a hat, and then I got that hat that Eric made me at Hotbox Pizza Truck. Man, you guys are too nice to me. I'm not worthy. Yeah, how's it look? Oh, that's badass. Look at that. That's nice. That's so cool. And then see, this is the hat that Eric made me too that one time. So that's cool too. I could wear that too. How's that go with the red? Oh, that's nice. Okay, now what else we got? So yeah, thank you, Chris. Thank you. And Merry Christmas to you guys too. Okay. Now we got something from Eric. From Eric at Hotbox Pizza Truck. got here? What do we got here? Oh, he told me he was sending me something cool. Try not to cut my leg. Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, look at that. Look at that badass axe head. Oh, he even put a cool sticker on it for me. That's cool. Wow. Yeah, I've always wanted one like that because yeah, he got like 5 or 6 or 4 or 5, 6 of these from some old guy for. Yeah, look at that. That's cool because yeah, you don't find that pattern too much around here from what I've seen. What do you call that pattern? I forgot. It's super cool though. Wow, I like the finish on it too. That's awesome. I can't wait to put a handle on that. Thanks, Eric. That's the coolest. Wow, that thing's heavy too. That's gonna be a good splitter. Oh, that's nice. I can't wait. I'll make a video and we'll put a handle on it. And then look, he saw that I used that squirt bottle to prime the saws and stuff, and so he found some. That's cool. Found some at one of the restaurant supply places. So now I got some squirt bottles for priming the saws. That's awesome. Thank you, Eric. Oh, that is so cool. And he got me a cool calendar too. Nice. I don't know if you guys saw that when I opened the thing, I cut it a little bit. Sorry, Eric, I'll put some tape on it. I'll put some tape on it. We'll fix it up real nice. Oh, that's cool. Look at that badass calendar. Ooh, and it's a 2022 even. Nice. That's bitchin'. Oh, yeah. Ooh, stickers too. Ooh, I'm gonna give those to Allison. Nice. Cool. Thanks, man. That is awesome. Oh, yeah. Hang that up in the shop. Nice. Oh, that axe head is super cool. Wow, that's cool. Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys. You're too good to me. You're too good to me. I'm gonna put this coffee down here because I'm gonna spill it. Put my card over here, my sticker. That's so cool. Okay, so yeah, what I was gonna show you on this this here chainsaw that we're gonna send to Eric. I always like to take a little, because since this one has such nice original paint on it, I like to use some of this heavy cut rubbing or polishing compound. It doesn't have to be the heavy cut, but it works pretty good. And I already sort of did right here, but it really takes the oxidization and it actually like cleans a lot of the crap off of the cleans a lot of the crap off of the saw too. So yeah, let me rub on this, I'll show you. So you just put a little of that compound on there, and then you just take into rubbing on it. Oh, look at that. See, it's starting to shine up. But yeah, it actually cleans a lot of the garbage off the paint. See, look at that. See how much of it is taken off? And then when you're done shining on it, you just buff it with the clean side. Look at that. Look at the shine it put on that. That's so cool. So yeah, that's awesome. This saw is gonna look so cool in his collection. So yeah, just a little rubbing in here. Man, I can't believe how nice this thing is. So yeah, we'll give her a little rub out. And then see on these white parts, it'll really bring out it'll really brighten up the white too. Watch this. Just rub on that a little bit. And that sort of cuts all the scuzzy stuff off of there. Oh, look at that. Yeah, see, it doesn't take much to put a shine on it. Get that oxidization off. Look at that. See, look at that. Can you see the shine in it? Look at how nice that is. Oh, man. And then to really make it nice, because I steel wooled the handle, rubbed her down with some steel wool, and then if you really want it to shine, you take some metal polish. Some guy gave this to me a long time ago. I've been using it for years. It's called Autosol. I don't even know where he got it, but you just take a little bit of that for your aluminum parts and stuff. Watch this. Put a little of that on there, and just to take into rubbing. Yeah, see, look at that. Aluminum, it doesn't take nothing at all. Look at that, it's like chrome. Oh, I'm gonna lose this. Wow, look at that. See? Didn't take much at all. Then you take your dry side. Look at that. Looks like chrome. That's so nice. That is cool. So yeah, we're gonna polish her up a little bit. Finish that up, and then we're gonna package her up, but not before. Remember these stickers that Andrew made for me? I'm gonna put one on here. I hope you don't mind, Eric. Put a sticker right here. I don't think it'll hurt the originality. If you don't like it, you can take it off. Look at this. We're gonna put the KKG sticker right here. The KKG version. Let's see, where should we put it? Right. Maybe I'll try and cover up one of them chips. Oh, look at that. That's cool. See that? Nice. That's badass. That's the finishing touch right there. Yeah. That is cool. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. Just a little bit of stuff in the mail. Show you how I sort of detail these things out. And I appreciate everything that you guys do for me. It's fun having so much support and meeting so many cool people on the channel. I really appreciate it. So yeah, let's get into running this thing. See how she cuts some wood that I already did. Okay guys, let's test out this XL12 chainsaw. So we put a new chain on it because that other one was junk, and we got her running, but we haven't tuned the carb on it much yet, so let's see how she does. So she's stone cold. I haven't started it, so let's see if this thing will start up without any help. Put the throttle lock on. Choke. that sounds good. She was running mighty fat on the high end. Let's tighten up that bar, that chain just a little bit. Cause see, she loosened up on us a little bit because it was a brand new chain. That's pretty normal. So we'll just loosen these up a little bit. Man, this thing is nice. There we go. Just a little bit. Didn't need much. So now, I think we'll just go a tiny bit leaner on the high end. Listen to that baby purr. Wow, that thing is nice. Look how easy she starts too. That is nice. Wow. I think she's got low hours on her. Nice. That's gonna be a little honey, Eric. So now we'll just do a little final cleaning on her. And I think she's ready to head to Florida. Nice. There it is, guys. That's our video. I was just over here polishing on this thing while I was waiting for my GoPro footage to download. It takes forever. So in between downloading sections, I was polishing on this thing some more. Look at that thing. She's a beauty. So yeah, next step, package her up, break her down and package her up. She's on her way, Eric. That's so cool. Man, so yeah. Oh, and then I had something else I was gonna send with it too for Art. I didn't want Art to feel left out because he's a cool guy too. So yeah, look at that. Nice little Stanley axe head. Woo-wee. And it's pretty sharp, but you guys could probably throw a little bit better edge on it. Put a handle on that bad boy. That'll be a good little project for you and Art. Yeah, look at that thing. The Stanley, an M with the M on it. Which I think, I remember somebody was telling me that means it's made by man. It's a man axe head, M-A-N-N. So that's cool. So I'll send that along with the XL12. Nice. All right, guys, that's our episode for the evening. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.